welcome back to the channel. If you're new, scroll down, hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, then you already know what the heck is going on. Okay, period. Sorry sorry if you hear the noise in the background. That's my humidifier going. And y'all, I bruised my nose. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, I bruised my nose trying to get a blackhead out. Yeah, I really don't pop my pimples like at all. That's how I've been able to like keep my skin somewhat even and not have a lot of acne scars. But a blackhead, hate to see me come ahead because I got to get that. And it was like right on the bridge of my nose, and I was just like, no, I need to get that out. And that resulted in me bruising my nose. But anyways, this video is pretty much about to be spend the night with me. Really spend the next hour with me. Half hour. It's already 11 p.m. but I've been asleep since like 6 p.m. I literally got home, fed me and my daughter, hugged her, kissed her, told her to clean her room. I came in here and lay down, and I went to sleep. I woke up around her bedtime to make sure she was in bed and tucked in and all that stuff. Went back to sleep. Just woke up, took a shower, did my skincare, took some medicine, and I need to clean up because I sleep better in a clean environment, and my room is starting to get a little messy because I've been sick and I've just been coming, throwing stuff around, laying down, going to sleep, getting up. So I need to get my room together, just a little straighten up. And then I need to clean the kitchen, which isn't that bad either. I just need to do the dishes because I haven't done it since I cooked the chicken and noodles. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Also, I want to send prayers to everyone in Florida, because I've never experienced a hurricane. I live in Indiana, so the most we get is tornadoes, and even those are pretty rare. And I have a cousin who lives in Orlando, but just to see like natural disasters take place in other states, like I know some people have earthquakes, some people have hurricanes, some people, you know, have floods all the time, and I'm just grateful to be in a state that doesn't really get, you know, too bad of natural disasters. And I just feel so bad for the people who can't evacuate. I think people don't understand that even though evacuating becomes mandatory, sometimes not everyone can do that. Not everyone has somewhere to go. Not everyone has the ability to drive themselves somewhere. Not everyone has the ability to just pack up and leave everything that they have. And I feel like part of that is our government system's fault. Like, if you know that these places have hurricanes and have this and that, there should be a numerous of evacuation centers for these purposes, to help people get to safety, get to where they need to go and be safe. I don't think it should be up to citizens to spend a lot of money in an already bad economy just to be safe. And I've been hearing that like Airbnb and flights and stuff has been skyrocketing during these times, and I just feel like that's so backwards. Like, why would you raise your prices up when people are trying to escape death in a sense? Like, that just makes no sense to me. And like, I don't understand even raising Airbnb prices because it's helping someone stay safe. Like, I just don't understand, and it just shows how cruel the world really is. And I just hope that everyone is safe. I hope everyone gets through. I seen a video where they were telling people to write their names and birthdays on their bodies in permanent marker to be identified, and that just like it's one thing for something bad to happen unexpectedly. But to know that death is coming, like to know that tomorrow or by the end of the week you may not be here because of a natural disaster, and basically preparing yourself to die, is just so heartbreaking. So I don't want to stay on this because I can go on and on, but I just do want to say that I pray for everyone in Florida, everyone who's experienced a hurricane, everyone who has experience, everyone who has young kids, every elderly person who can't just get up and leave. I just pray for everyone's mental health during this time, and I just hope that you guys get through it, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys. Yeah, so we're about to get ready to clean up so that I can go back to bed. I've been doing good. I think I've been doing pretty good. Like, I'm not holding myself to such a high standard to where I'm beating myself up and I just stop. Like, yeah, I might miss a day, or this vlog may not be as good, but I'm still pushing out content, which is my goal for this month. It's just to become consistent with pushing out content. Another thing I need to work on is pushing out content for multiple platforms. Like, I'll be consistent on TikTok, and then that'll make me inconsistent on YouTube, and then I become consistent on YouTube, and it'll make me inconsistent on TikTok. So learning how to balance to where I'm consistent around the board, once I figure that out, we gonna be in there like swimwear. All right, enough of me rambling. Let's get into this night vlog.
and everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tune. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
Like I said, I wasn't doing like a really deep clean. I was just straightening up so that I can sleep better and feel good that my house is put together while I'm sick. I really got done in 30 minutes. I started at 11. Well, I started talking to y'all at 11, and then I cleaned up and it is now 11:38. So I'm about to lay back down, drink some water, and probably go back to sleep because that kind of wore me out a bit. So I have a headache. So I'm just gonna go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little quick cleaning vlog. How do you say that word? I'm sleepy. The word where they take a break in the middle of a show. Yeah, that's what this video was for Vlogtober. Just a little break in between while I'm sick. I'll try to get back to filming full vlogs tomorrow. So it's just a quick little short little holdover. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you guys. See you guys tomorrow.